The show must go on. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad said be an actor, my son, but be a comical one. They'll be standing in lines for those old hunky-tongue monkey shines. Now you can study Shakespeare and be quite elite, and you can charm the critics and have nothing to eat. Just slip on a banana peel the words that you read. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Moses supposes, erroneously. Hoop-de-doo-de-doo. Moses supposes, his Moses are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. Moses, he noses, his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes, his toes still be. Roses, 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 roses,
lucky day, March 23rd.
Oh, no, your lucky day is the 24th.
What do you mean 24th?
It's 1:30 already. It's morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We've talked the whole night.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you. When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright.
Now the milkman's on his way. It's time to say goodnight.
So good morning. Good morning.
Sun beams the sun's welcome. Good morning. Good morning to you and you and you and you. This California dew is just a little heavier than usual tonight.
From where I stand, the sun is shining all over the place. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds, listen to my heart, I'm ready for love. And singing in the rain.
We need another musical number. How's this? We throw a modern section into the picture.
First, we set the stage with a song.
It goes like this.